Our planet Earth is divided into four spheres: geosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and the atmosphere. In this fully animated lecture, you will learn about what is atmosphere. It is the envelope of gases that surrounds our Earth. It extends from the Earth's surface without any boundary. Did you know that about 99% of the atmospheric mass lies within 30 kilometers of the surface? Do you know what is the composition of our atmosphere? Nitrogen is the most abundant gas at around 78%. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the atmosphere, while trace gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and neon make up the remaining 1%. Why atmosphere is important for us? Atmosphere plays a vital role in supporting life on Earth. The different gases in the atmosphere help regulate temperature, protect us from harmful radiation, and provide the oxygen we need to breathe. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These layers are divided on the basis of temperature variations in atmosphere. Temperature decreases from 17 degrees Celsius to -58 degrees Celsius in the lowest layer, that extending up to 12 kilometers. This layer of atmosphere is called troposphere. Above this layer lies the stratosphere that extends up to 50 kilometers. In this layer, temperature rises up to 2 degrees Celsius. Beyond the stratosphere lies the mesosphere, covering up to 85 kilometers. In this region, again temperature decreases down to -93 degrees Celsius. Beyond the mesosphere lies the thermosphere, covering up to 200 kilometers. In this region, again temperature increases up to 1200 degrees Celsius. Beyond 200 kilometers lies the exosphere, in which temperature goes on increasing upwards. In troposphere, all the weather happens. It's where clouds form, rain falls, and winds blow. Most of the aeroplanes fly in the troposphere. It acts like a protective blanket around Earth. It's a layer of atmosphere, where plants get carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, which produces oxygen for us. Without the troposphere, life wouldn't be possible. Ozone layer in the stratosphere absorbs and reflects most of the ultraviolet rays, preventing them from reaching the Earth's surface. Without the ozone layer, we would be exposed to high levels of UV radiation, which can lead to serious health issues like skin cancer. It can also harm plants and disrupting food chains. Mesosphere is protecting harmful meteoroids that burn up upon entry into this layer. This is why you often see shooting stars or meteors in the night sky. They are actually burning up in the mesosphere. In thermosphere, temperatures rise up to 2500 degrees Celsius. One of the coolest things about the thermosphere is that it is home of International Space Station and many other satellites. In addition to satellites, the thermosphere is also home to the northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. These stunning light displays are caused by solar particles colliding with gases in the thermosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, where our atmosphere meets the vacuum of space. In the exosphere, the air is very thin, and molecules are very far apart. Exosphere is affected by solar activity, such as solar flares and sunspots. When the sun is more active, the exosphere expands, and can reach farther out into space.